We are moving to the third way. Ready?
Yes, sir.
Please, question.
Why do you face the hardships? Why do you face the hardships?
Excellent.
I face the hardships so that I can make myself stronger.
Very good. So that you can make yourself stronger.
Yes, sir.
Excellent. Please.
Why does Mr. Shoaib face hardships? Mr. Shoaib faces the hardships so that he can make himself stronger.
Very good. So that he can become stronger. Excellent. Please.
Why do you obey Mr. Rafi?
Why do you obey Mr. Rafi?
I obey Mr. Rafi so that I can enhance my knowledge.
Because whatever the activities Mr. Rafi involves you in, those activities are knowledge oriented. So that's why you think that if you obey Mr. Rafi, you should be able now to get more knowledge.
Yes.
Very good. Please.
Why does Mr. Mubashir obey Mr. Rafi?
Mr. Mubashir obeys Mr. Rafi so that he can enhance his knowledge.
Very good. Rafi. What? Rafi. That's there in the Holy Quran. Rafi Darajat. Rafi.
Rafi.
Shafi, not Shafi. No, Rafi. Rafi. If you don't mind, please.
Yes, sir.
All right, sir.
Rafi.
Ji beta, please.
Why do you visit different places?
Excellent.
I visit different places so that I can explore my mind.
Excellent. Please.
Why does Mr. Shoaib visit different places?
Mr. Shoaib visits different places so that he can explore his mind.
Excellent. Please, next question. Who started?
Why do you comb your hair?
Why do you brush your hair?
I brush my hair so that I can look better.
So that you can look attractive. So that you can look beautiful and handsome.
Why does Mr. Mubashir brush his hair?
Brush, not brush.
Brush.
Please.
Mr. Mubashir brushes his hair so that he can look handsome.
So that he can look attractive. So that he can look beautiful. So that he can look handsome. Clear? Whose turn now?
Why do you eat? Why do you eat?
I eat so that I can get energy.
Please.
Why does Mr. Shoaib eat?
Very good. Please.
Mr. Shoaib eats so that he can get energy.
Very good. Very good.
Why do you surf the internet?
Surf. S-U-R-F. Surf.
Means use.
Use. Very good.
I surf the internet so that I can upload my documents.
Very good.
Why does Mr. Mubashir surf the internet?
Mr. Mubashir surfs the internet so that he can upload his document.
Very good. Whose turn now? Yours.
Yes,
Please.
Why do you use mobile?
I use mobile so that I can connect myself with different people.
Excellent.
Why does Mr. Shoaib use mobile?
Mr. Shoaib uses mobile so that he can connect with different people.
Excellent. Now you are clear, mashallah. Over?
Yes, sir.
Sure? Yes, sir. Sure? This was the third way. So we are moving to the last way of responding to the question. I mean the fourth way. And lost in the sense that it is there in the outlines which I have designed for this platform. Otherwise, there are many ways. Clear? Yes, sir. So what is the fourth way?